everyone's here for the same purpose, so why not teach someone else the skill I know? My name is Ritesh. I'm from Toronto, Canada. It feels like a brotherhood. Everyone is here with one goal in mind, and everyone is so united. Everyone has a different skill set that they bring. I'd worked in offices, I'd worked in tech, I'd worked at a startup before, and I saw this as an opportunity to gain a whole new set of skills, also while giving back. And seeing Akshardham and actually working on it made me feel really proud. And I, openly share with all my friends, what Akshardham is, what I do here, and how it's going to play a massive role in, showcasing Hinduism to the North American community. Every stone has a different story about the person that placed it. And that's what makes this place really unique. It's not just a beautiful building. Everyone's sacrifice are in the stories of each of these stones. So that's one of the things I really hope people learn. Many people don't have the chance to go and visit the mandirs in India, but bringing this here, I hope people learn what India is all about and what Hinduism is all about.